Adding news website to your WordPress website is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can add news website to your WordPress website. So for that, I am at my website in WordPress. So as you guys can see, and here you just have to click on this appearance. And in the appearance, you just have to search for news. What it will do is it will show me all the best website templates for my news website. You just have to select any of that and you just need to start creating new one. But let me tell you one thing. Before starting new one, you just have to go to plugins and you have to deactivate all of the plugins that you have activated before. So that's how you guys can start creating your news website in your WordPress. Now make sure to choose a nice and clean template for your website. These are just templates. You just have to create a whole new website from scratch. Or you just have to create a whole new website, all new plugins, everything. You just have to do it all over again for creating a new news website. So that's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.